how to change the passcode on your iPhone 8 or iPhone 8 Plus. Whether you want a new passcode for better security or simply want to update your existing one, the process is quick and easy. To get started, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down and tap Touch ID and Passcode. If prompted, enter your current passcode to continue. Next, scroll down and tap Change Passcode. Enter your current passcode once again, then you'll be asked to create a new one. If you'd like to use a different type of passcode, tap Passcode Options. From here, you can choose between a custom alphanumeric code, custom numeric code, or a 4-digit numeric code, depending on your preference. After selecting your preferred option, enter your new passcode. Then re-enter it to verify. Once confirmed, your new passcode will be saved automatically. That's it. Your iPhone 8 or iPhone 8 Plus will now use your new passcode the next time you unlock your device. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick iPhone tutorials.